Hi guys, welcome to this little video. I'm going to show you how to make some delicious full power cacao. Get your vibe on in the morning or in the afternoon, or even some people like it before they go to bed. I find it a little bit stimulating because my energy is pretty high all the time anyway, so I don't have it before I go to bed. So what you need some full power cacao. This is a salted caramel recipe, a little bit of coconut sugar, some agave syrup, agave, as we say in Manchester, and a little bit of Himalayan salt or a little bit of salt. Or any sweeteners really, but just try and stay away from refined sugars. So, get your cacao, get your little pan on the stove, light your stove, put a tiny bit of plant milk. We use Plenish. This is just oats and water, so none of that nasty stuff that a lot of these have in. So just put a splash of your plant milk into your pan. Get your full power cacao, and then we're going to do this for 2 people, so it's 1 tablespoon per person. 1, 2, and what you need as well is a little whisk. I've got a little whisk in here somewhere. There we go. This is called a molino, and this is like a little Mexican cacao spoon. So you just want to be whisking that. Don't have the heat too high because you don't want the cacao to come to the boil. So just give that a little whisk. Start it to melt. The chocolate cacao, the full power cacao, will start to melt, do its thing. You can use just a normal household whisk. If you want to get fancy, you can use a molino. And this is a Mexican cacao spoon. And just start to stir that into a nice little paste so that the cacao is melting. So cacao is a natural antidepressant. It's great for mental health. It helps to release manageable amounts of serotonin, dopamine, phenethylamine, and phenethylamine is that chemical that's released when we fall in love. So amazing things that are being released in the body when we drink cacao. It also is really good for your heart health. It's a natural antidepressant, natural mood enhancer. It's cleansing and cleaning the capillaries and the arteries around the heart, which is amazing for the body. 1 in 5 people die from heart-related diseases. It's getting a little bit windy here, so maybe if you're doing this in a house, it's a little bit easier. So just letting and paying attention to the cacao. Like, it's a process. Like, people are like, can you do an instant version of this? But it's part of the process. It's like putting your good intentions, any good affirmations. I am beautiful, I am magical, I am powerful, I am blessed, I am divine, I am love, I am loved, all these kind of things. Or any prayers, like I'm going to be confident today, I'm going to be happy today, I'm going to smile today. Like, you can always smile, regardless of what's going on in your life, you can always smile. So cacao, full of magnesium, full of calcium, full of flavonoids, amazing for cognition, for cognitive process, because it's oxygenating the brain. There's loads of science that's been done about it, so you can read lots of the studies that are on the internet about cacao. It encourages stem cell regrowth. It's amazing for fatigue because it's got a stimulant in it. It's got this chemical in it called theobroma, which means it's translated to mean food of the gods. So you can see I've got a nice little kind of, you can see that I've got a nice like smooth paste now. So from this smooth paste now, I want to add the rest of my plant milk. So a cup, an average size cup of plant milk, or you can do half plant milk, half water. Pouring that in. So I've made 2 portions, so I want to make enough for 2 people. Get that nice and smooth and stirred into it. I'm going to add a couple of splashes of agave syrup. This is organic agave blue syrup, so 1, 2 splashes of that. A little bit, so half a tablespoon per person. So I'm going to put a full tablespoon of that coconut sugar in. Stir that in, give that a little stir, and then a little bit of Himalayan salt, just to bring out that sweetness and the flavors of the cacao a little bit more. So I'll just wait for that to heat up. So the magic at this in cacao is wanting the best version of you to show up. It's wanting your heart to blossom, your heart to open, your heart to expand. And cacao's mission as a consciousness is for every person in the world to be living their life purpose. Once we are living our life purpose, we feel purpose every day that we get up. We know what we're supposed to be doing. We know who we are. There is no depression. There's no anxiety. There's no fear. There's just abundance, love, joy, and magnificence. And that's what this full power revolution is, to get everybody vibrating at the best version of themselves, the greatest version of themselves, to be presented to the world each and every day, and for us to be vibrating at that highest frequency. So that's the cacao ready. And the one thing I forgot is a cup. I forgot a bloody cup, but you'll just pour this into a cup now and enjoy. This is the salted caramel full power cacao. Smells absolutely divine. So you would pour that into a cup, set your intention, hold the cacao to your heart, set your intention for the day is to be filled with love, to be filled with joy, whatever it may be, to be calm, to be collected, to be disciplined in all my interactions, to be on time, to be early, and to allow the best version of myself to blossom each and every day. And then you would just say, aho, full power. Remember, why be half power when you can be full power? Enjoy your cacao. Lots of love from everybody at Full Power Cacao HQ, everybody at, that we associate, all our colleagues, and thank you very much from me, Liam Browne. Have a beautiful day. Peace.